picture, everyone.
Wow, hindi namin expect na maraming pupunta. So, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. And sana magustuhan niyo yung film. Yes, kung may mga tanong kayo, later meron na kayo Q&A. Of course, gusto namin malaman kung ano yung mga thoughts nyo regarding sa film, whether it's gonna be good or bad. Of course, gusto namin marinig yan. And can't wait na malaman yung mga thoughts ninyo. Marco?
It's our first time to watch this film, so we're pretty excited to see it as well as much as you guys. And yeah, let's have fun.
Alright, thank you very much. And let's have, can I get your microphone? Let's have your photos taken right over here. Sa center lahat, kita lahat. Alright, please face center. 3, 2, 1. One more, 3, 2, 1. This time a little to your right, please. A little to your right, 3, 2, 1. One more, 3, 2, 1. A little to your left, please. Of course, we have here joining us the director of the film, Direk Gino and Santos. How about a hand
So guys, hello. Hello everyone, thank you for coming to the advanced screening of Enter from PC, Women from the Lab. And this is actually my first time to watch it with an audience. So you guys can laugh, cry, shout, you know, huwag nilang tapunan ng popcorn. But yeah, thank you for coming, and I hope you guys enjoy the movie. Thank you.
Alright, and let's have your photos taken together with Direk Gino, of course. One more. Photo. 3, 2, 1. Last photo. 3, 2, 1. This time, standing Viva. You're here. Last. 3, 2. Alright, and joining us, of course, is the writer of the best-selling book. Please welcome Stanley G.
Kaya pala. Siya pala yung sumunod kay picture ng picture dun sa
sana huwag kayo mag-ingay mamaya kasi huwag niyo makikita na uy, ano nangyari ang kayo ganun na okay, pre-record ang mga films na papalabas bawal nyo. Pero enjoy. Salamat sa mga nagpunta.
Thank you. Please spread the word, guys.
Galing na Marvin dito sa movie. Salamat dito eh. Salamat sa Viva. Safe na.
Picture na po all together. Kasama po ang cast, actor, director, and director, of course. Alright. Last photo in 3, 2, 1. And I know you guys are very excited to watch the film. So together with the writer, director, and our stars, of course, please find your seats downstairs. And let's all watch together. Ito po ang pinakabagong handog sa atin ng Media Quest, Studio Viva, and Viva Films. Alright, I'd like to remind everybody that, yes, once po ikalabas natin ang pelikulang ito, bawal na po magsumbang photos or videos. Alright, and please give a space for our stars to get to their respective seats. I'd like to remind everybody to please keep your mobile devices on silent mode. Strictly no camcording and making any copies of the movie. It is a violation of Republic Act number 10088 and Tech Camcording Act of
Hi, Heaven.
Precision of fines. So we hope that you guys would once again put your mobile devices as much as possible inside your bags and on silent mode. Alright, we hope that you guys already found your seats. Thank you you very much. Please settle down. We are about to watch the film right at this moment. Last photo from our staff, from Viva. One.
First hair mo. The kulot, then hindi na masyadong kulot. Yung last one is straight na hindi ka hanger. So it's the last one. But who's so that? Was that way or
Actually, namatay ko yung buko after. Totoo po lahat yun. Nakakatawa mga minsan na sobrang kulot, tapos biglang wavy. So, kailangan yung wave. And so, yes, hindi ko siya wave. Alam siya, extensions naman. Pero talagang, yes, namatay yung buko. So, ganyan, medyo payat na siya.
oh, nice. And observation ko lang na her last movie is ibang flavor yung ginawa ko na dito, ibang favorite. So, just, congratulate lang kita na very well acted.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
Bagbagong sweldo, bagong buwan.
Alright, we have a question upstairs.
Our movie was based from. How much of the movie was based on the book?
The storyline kasi, ako yung sulat ng storyline. And then, pinresent nila direct. Siyempre, nagbago ng konti kasi, nag-pandemic, bago na yung way of life natin. So, iba ng konti. Pero, parang inadapt pa rin yung storyline ng unang binigay ko. Diba, direct?
No, you want to it's really he said, she said, my point of view, different point of view talaga. I really wanted to place yung what the guy thinks, iinom, nasa mind niya, nasa mind ni Aika. And these things are their versions. No? People have their own versions ng mga away natin sa relationship. So, dito makikita natin on both sides. And, ano ba, Aika ba kayo? Dito ba kayo? So, mapapaspark kayo ng conversation on sino kayo as a human being, no? Sino kayo sa career. So, dito, this film doesn't have any big contrabidas or big conflicts. It's really internal. That's what I want to show this film.
Sa bahay lang yung post.
Dahil
Si Giselle sa bahay.
Hindi naman pinamon.
First time book. Ano yung inspiration for you to write this book?
Yes, good question!
Piniligaw ng Tagalabang dati.
Ano daw? Ano daw?
Yun na yun.
Yun nga.
Siya yung ayun saan na siya?
Ano daw inspiration?
Hindi ko na alam eh. Wala akong balita.
Ako alam ko.
Wala.
Ito sa
Nice question, Tommy. Good girl.
Kapag siya ng computer, kung may drawer doon sa may computer. I-ano mo lang, sa second doon sa kanan. Tinago ko.
Paano po nag-develop yung character ni Aika and Tina? Since yung po kasi parang ma-focus na
Gusto mo dito sa kasama. Ha? Mura ako.
Nag-meeting muna kami dito. Pero may sinabit na akong story. And then yung team na nila direct, meeting na rin sila, usapan, based on the storyline na sinabit ko sa loob.
and for
si Aika and Ino, we really wanted ibang class sila. So as you can see, si Tina yung mas mayaman, si Aika yung mas, mas,
Middle class yan.
mas hardworking siya. She has something to strive for. So yun yung difference nila. So makita natin kung the way of living and also yung mindset nila, kung career nga ba talaga or love yung priorities nila. And then you see the switch between the characters, how they grow up. Eh, yung problema yun is like, hindi na grow up. Stuck siya doon.
Thank you so much for that answer, Sam. And next question is for Marvin po. Ano ba yung favorite scene foods na sa movie na ginagawa? And ano ba yung discovery sa film?
Ako na isa yung favorite scene. Pangalawa is yung nasa bus kami. Tapos makikita mo din, di ba, parang glimpses of yung nag-usap kami, and then favorite scene, di ba, ganun siya. Kasi yung scene na yun, wala yung script. Tapos yung direct sabi niya, akala namin, tapos na yung tingin-tingin na kami, tapos sabi niya direct, oh, ay ka, magtanong ka habang Kino. So, kailangan na alam niya yung mga sasagot. So, mga tanong ko, dapat alam ko yung story na nangyayari during sa buhay niya. And then siya naman, magtatanong siya about me. So, dapat alam ko rin kung saan nanggaling si Aika, paano, alam niyo yun. So, yun yung favorite scene ko actually. Tapos, tagal lang si Derek, nasa host lang kami, habang nasa EDSA. So, yun yung favorite scenes ko.
Aside from the quick one, there was the boundaries one, the one about accepting the request. It was you did this thing, you know, and then I just felt so connected to you, and I was like, yeah, you're not like I would do this. And I don't know, I love that scene. Also because that street is close to me. I used to live for the longest time in Mandaluyong. I used to walk the same bridge to Mado. So like the fact that I got to work there, it was, you know, cheap. I would have never thought. Yeah, I don't know. It's hard to say really. All the scenes were worth like it.
Siguro yung away scene namin, yung pinaka-away-away, yung dulo nun was an outlet. Yeah, that was an outlet. And so, parang kailangan lang namin supportan yung isa't isa, yung mga panong eh, na parang, kita kayo yung so kailangan, alam mo yung ibabato mo rin. So, I like those. Na-discover namin sa isa't isa? Ako yan naman. Ikaw muna, ikaw muna.
That's okay. I discovered during the show.
Ano, marami si Marco. No, hindi ko sabihin na, saan ba? Hindi, may depth siya, like parang siyang old soul, na parang pinanood ko siya sa cinema, tapos parang nakakapakikita mo sa mata niya, sa lahat ng galaw niya na, like hindi lang siya acting kumbaga, yun yung sinasabi ko. Na master mo na, cute. And nakakatuwa kasi, wala, nakikita ko yung growth ni Marco, and I will always be here to support you and to guide you. So,
How could I know when I have the best, sexiest shirt?
Dito pa siya.
No, really. I already said this before, and I feel like I would have not have grown if it wasn't for Heaven. And every time I see something that I can pick up from her, some timing, some nuances, and you know, I love working with her because it's a give and take. And you know, I'm here in the Philippines to get better at acting. And you know, I don't know, I just love working